Hi. So here we are. It's 5 minutes to the open, 4 minutes and 46 seconds to be exact. And I don't know if it's going to be a big up day or a big down day or a nothing day. At this point, there are very few who do know. But I'll bring you up to speed on what happened at the end of last week. What you're looking at is a chart of 1 minute bars. If you see my mouse, this bar is the bar where the market actually closed. And so you see the closing price to the right, settlement price of 16,467. The commodity market trades for 15 minutes each day after the market closed, continues to trade. As a matter of fact, the commodity market is open almost 24 hours a day. It opens at 5 o'clock Central, which is 4 minutes from now exactly. I'm in the Central Time Zone myself. And it's going to trade from 5 o'clock this evening until 3:15 tomorrow afternoon when the stock market closes. So between now and then, the equity commodity market's not going to be closed, and we'll get a good indication as to what the market should open at tomorrow at 8:30, because the future will then be coincident with the cash. 16,467, the settlement on Friday. You can see that the future traded for a while afterwards. It closed at 4:15 and it traded down to 37. Currently, the indication is that it is going to open 16,437. That's the most recent price that I have. We shall see. We have 3 minutes to go now. I'll tell you that I'm not. First of all, let me add this point. This is not advice for anybody to do anything themselves. It's a description of what I'm doing, my thoughts, and not investment advice of any kind to anybody out there. However, my situation is that I'm short. I'm short about 2/3 of a full position. I think the market is heading a lot lower. As you know, if you watch my previous videos, I actually only started posting videos on Sunday of last week, so this has been quite a week for me. I'm worried that after the move that we've had, and I'll give you some perspective, what you're looking at here is 1 minute candles. So this shows my time zone Friday afternoon from noon to 4 o'clock. If I now change the chart so that every bar is an hour, now we go back to August the 10th, and you can see the dashed vertical lines are days: Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Monday. We're at 16,467. We have 2 minutes to go. I'm showing 417 the market. So let's see if we can find a good perspective for you. So I'm showing it's going to open 417. I would not rely upon that number though. Nobody's trading there. There is no trading for the next minute and 30 seconds. Gold, silver, crude oil are all going to open at the same time. We've got very little move in the currencies. Euro down slightly, Swiss down slightly. The biggest move, I guess, is the ruble I'm seeing. It's down 0.2%. We are at 1 minute and 8 seconds to go. For me, I'm really facing a decision, which is if the market opens about where it is and 50 points either way is not much of a move, I won't feel compelled to do anything. If the market opens up big, should I cover part of my position? Should I add to my short? That's the question. We're at 40 seconds to go. If the market opens down a lot, should I cover my short? A bounce is coming, but when? So I'm actually going to add. I don't have time to do any adding. I'm going to stick with where I am. We are 20 seconds away. I'm still showing 417 the market. I'll change this. We're seeing too much of 17,000 prices, and we are at 5 seconds. 412, 410, and we are open. 400. All right, not much of a move. Down 50 points so far. Wow, traded down to 361, 74 points. I think I'm going to stick with where I am for the moment. So the market opened down 74 points. S&P down 9.25. Don't have a trade yet on gold. Silver up 5 cents. Looks like gold's up $1. And so crude oil down 16 cents to 40.29. So it certainly looks like the 30s are imminent. And we are stuck. 393 at 402 is the market that I show. I'm not sure that this market's actually working because I'm not seeing any changes in that at all, although I am seeing changes in the other commodities. But here we go, equities, I get an update. If you're watching the chart, you're actually seeing this live. It's now 1 minute and 6 seconds since we opened. 385, 351 the low. I don't know, let's go to 1 minute bars and get some sense of what's happening. Doesn't seem to be bouncing very much. Well, at least there wasn't a cataclysm or a bullet moment or any wildly untoward happening. 90 points does not seem ridiculous, but keep in mind, we're watching this live. It's 25 points away from who knows what lies below. If you look at the hourly, there's nothing in sight. The daily, I have to move to a different chart, so forgive me, I will do that quickly. You can see that this is the low of October, 15.8, so 600 points away. I think we get there, but does it bounce before then? It certainly looks like it, doesn't it? Back to the future, and back to the 1 minute. Well, there's your open, down 90 points. Doesn't look like there's much follow through yet, although looking at it, it does look like it did follow through. It looked like it traded down to 51 again, looking at the second bar. I'm not buying anything back, but I'm not adding to my short either. So here we are, 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the close. The market's down 94 points. Not much happening in currencies. Gold up 250, silver up 5 cents, crude down 26 cents. But I think this is an eye in a long-lasting storm, and I'm sticking with where I am. I'm not adding. I'm not taking anything off. Good luck to you guys out there, guys and ladies. Take care.